a hot heat in there. Today is the announcement of the winner to the contest that I ran.
You want to go to the cabin for a few days? Come on. Smell good? Ducks and moose. Hey guys, it's a classic case of why I put that plastic grate in there. When you go into the cabin for 2 or 3 days and you put your ice in your cooler, and like these ducks I'm going to cook for supper here now, you can see that there's been some melting action, and that grate keeps your food up out of all of that juice. So this, this stuff here is bone dry there now, and all the old slush ends up in the bottom. And actually, underneath that plastic grate, you can fit up to 2 bags of ice if it was melted into water. And that would be underneath that before your food would be even touched. So there's a guy from my hometown actually that welded in Brown's Arm, Randy White. He actually invented this, and you can order it if you want to through him. And I'll put the information in the video description there. So if you want to get some of those for yourself, it'll save your food for sure. Hey, Willow, come on! Willow keeps wanting to chase Andrew. Let's get out. Come on! Come get a treat! Get over here, you rascal! You got a treat! Hey! No! Come and get a treat. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! There you are. Walk with me. These are black ducks that Andrew and I shot when we were in Nova Scotia this past fall. Very, very tasty when they're baked. Bit of garlic, bit of onion powder, bit of lemon pepper. Right now she's showing about 525 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to put those ducks in now and it'll bake away. That's a hot heat in there when you see all the walls are turning white there. All the soot is burned off. That's all according to my cousin Trevor Porter. You got a YouTube channel too there, guys, on pizza ovens. He's after making two. State of the art. He really knows about ovens, pizza ovens, and how to cook in them. He does tremendous work. Check him out on YouTube, guys. It's Trevor Porter.
Well, guys, today is the announcement of the winner to the contest that I ran a couple weeks ago. And a lot of you watched the video and a lot of you commented looking for those fabulous prizes. So again, the first prize would have been the Bitty Big Q package, and the second prize would be the Mountain Warehouse package. So earlier today I put your names into a random comment picker, and these two names came up. Alright, so we're all set up here. The first name we're going to pick is for the Bitty Big Q package. Here we go. Will the name be yours? Daniel McKay. You are the lucky winner of the Bitty Big Q package. Congratulations, buddy. Alright, so we're going to draw the second prize. It's going to be the Mountain Warehouse prize. And here we go again. Good luck, everybody. And the winner is Jeff Roop. So congratulations, Daniel and Jeff. I want you guys to leave a comment in this video telling me how to get in contact with you with an email address or whatever. And I'll reach out to you guys from my end, and we'll figure out how to get those things to you as soon as we can. So congratulations, guys, and thanks to all you guys who entered. And there'll be more contests to come in the future for sure. Well, guys, I think these ducks are just about done. We're going to take them in now and have a wonderful supper. Thanks again to all you guys who watch. And like and subscribe to catch us on the next video. So until then, guys, take care of each other and enjoy everything outdoors. We'll see you again next time, guys. Boy, you look good.